Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing this unique recipe, that is cheeseburger bombs. This is basically a chicken and cheeseburger stuffed in a bun. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. Jodi apna recipe Korea dekhiବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି then ତଳେ ଥିବା description box link को check କରନ୍ତୁ. First in a bowl take half cup of warm milk and add 2 teaspoons of sugar. Mix well till dissolved. Add 1 teaspoon of instant yeast to it and mix well. Cover and rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Our yeast has activated now. In another bowl, take 2 cups of all-purpose flour or Maida. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix well. Now add the activated yeast to it. Mix and knead the dough. You can add water if required. We are looking for a sticky dough here. Our perfectly sticky dough is formed now. Transfer it to countertop. Throw and punch the dough so that it comes together. Our dough is ready now. Apply 1 tablespoon of softened butter to it and knead again till the butter assembles. Our super soft and smooth dough is formed now. Transfer it again to the bowl. Apply 1 teaspoon of oil all over it. Cover with the cling wrap and rest for 2 hours. Meanwhile, let's prepare the chicken. I have taken 250 grams of chicken keema here. Add 5 to 6 cloves of garlic chopped, 1 chopped green chili, few chopped coriander leaves, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of garam masala and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic red chili paste. Mix everything well. Now mince the chicken with the spices. Take small portion in greased palms and make tikkis. We are making mini tikkis here. Shallow fry the mini tikkis in oil. First cook on high flame for 2 minutes and then cook on medium flame so that the chicken cooks thoroughly. Our mini grilled chicken tikkis are ready now. For burger mayo preparation, take 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise in a bowl. To that add 1/4 teaspoon of mustard sauce, 1 teaspoon of ketchup. Mix it well and our burger sauce is ready now. Our dough is well proofed now. See how beautifully it has risen. Punch and deflate the air. Transfer to countertop and knead for 2 more minutes. Divide the dough into 8 equal parts. Make small roundels. Roll it a little. We are supposed to keep the middle thick and the sides thin. Place the chicken tikki in the center. Add 1 teaspoon of burger sauce on top. Add few chopped tomatoes and a mini cheese slice. Bring the edges together and seal. Pinch the dough and seal it well. Our perfect bun is ready now. Place it in a greased oven pan. For now I have made 4 buns. Cover and rest for 15 to 20 minutes. The size of the bun doubles now. Brush milk on top. This ensures the buns are perfectly brown on top. Bake at 180°C in a preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes. Our buns are baked and they are perfectly golden brown in color. Our tasty cheeseburger bombs are ready now. You will get the perfect bite of a chicken and cheeseburger inside this. So do try this out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. If you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.